Myntri Rangbah ke jela konat ke sang maha ke sengi baaw la pripat ba ya ke Shiitake mushroom bat training center ke bala betengka ke Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Donor bat ke sarkar jela hak program bala pelong ha apa shalong hak ke jingya dan lang ke Myntri ki kam rep ke kong am preling do haba kren hak jingya lang Myntri Rangbah long ba ke jing tri kam ke sarkar jela ke long shim kya ya baro ke jing bat ban kit klik kat ba ke jela kadang ya chaprang Ulai itu bahakine ki laisnem bala lek ke sarkar jela kala pelut kumba news pak keluar tengka habaya day pat ki kap kentiu ya ki no rep hakayo ke kot Myntri Rangbah ulai itu bah ke jingta ya ke Shiitake mushroom production bat training center ke thong kolong banyarap ya kumba shi hajar ngut ki no rep
While development takes place and while our state moves forward economically, infrastructures are built, roads are constructed, water supply is given. All of this growth in our infrastructure and the investments we make will only be meaningful if the entire or different sections of society and the public at large can grow along with the state and become part of the growth story of the state of Meghalaya. Today our expenditure of the government has touched from 9,000 crores. Today we're touching 25,000 crores in a matter of 5 years' time. And hence, we are seeing an overall economic development that's taking place for the state. But as I mentioned, for us, from day one, we were very clear that the farmers and all sections of society have to be part of this growth story that we are trying to achieve for our state of Meghalaya. And hence, if you look at the last 3 years ago, I'm not talking beyond that, we have spent over 700 crores only in the last 3 years. 700 crores has been spent to develop different value chains, different infrastructures like these, different processing plants, different prime hub centers, different solar powered storage centers and cold storages, so on and so forth. Large investment has been made in overall value chain improvement for our farmers so that the income of the farmers can go up.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.